Ever noticed someone yawning, and suddenly you yawn too? It's contagious, but why? Scientists say yawning is contagious because of mirror neurons in our brain. These neurons fire when we see someone doing something, and they make us mimic it. It's a sign of empathy, connection, and social bonding. In fact, the more empathetic you are, the more likely you are to catch a yawn. Even dogs yawn when their owners do. Wild, right? Now that you know why you yawn when others do, follow for more fun brain facts.